As the prosecution rests its case in the distracted driving trial of Jana Giron, her defense moves to dismiss all charges. Her attorney says she didn't know the consequences, nor was she responsible for causing a crash that killed 2 people. 13 News reporter J.D. Wallace has more on their argument.
Jana Giron's defense says the ticket she originally received for not adequately controlling her vehicle should be all she faces. The fact that the crash turned deadly was out of her control. Jana Giron is charged with 2 counts manslaughter, 2 counts criminal damage, 1 count endangerment, and 1 count tampering with evidence. The crash on Shannon Road north of Lambert Lane in 2019 killed 21-year-old Caitlin Festerling and 22-year-old Paul Garcia. Prosecutors say Giron was texting because she did not hit her brakes when Festerling stopped to turn left. Giron's Buick hit Festerling's Acura at 53 miles per hour and pushed it into the southbound lane where a white GMC pickup truck hit the car broadside. But the defense says it's outside Giron's control that the Acura had its wheels turned left and that having a phone beside her would be no different than a map or a child, and that the charges don't fit the collision.
This is a civil negligence case back in 2019, and it's still a civil negligence case because what the civil negligence standard is, sort of what the testimony was from Mr. Kleinberg, was that there's a duty of standard of care, there's a breach of that duty, there's a causal connection between the breach of the duty and an injury, and that there's damages. That's the civil negligence. Different from gross deviation, which is flagrant, extreme, outrageous, heinous, and egregious.
So we have all of these things indicating that she was not paying attention, not looking at the roadway. And it doesn't matter if at the moment she's actually sending the text, or she's actually reading the text, or she's putting it over in her purse and she's just not looking. The fact is that she's got this responsibility to operate this very large vehicle going at high rate speed, and she's not looking where she's going.
At one point, the judge countered the defense, saying there has been testimony about the increased risk of texting while driving. He dismissed the motion, and the trial resumes Tuesday with testimony for the defense. From downtown, J.D. Wallace, 13 News.